The world of generative AI is rapidly advancing and impacting almost every sector and every job in the world. This AI revolution has brought us to the threshold of transformation that will fundamentally change the way the entire world operates.
Hello everyone, I am Arjun. I have been working in the technology sector for more than 15 years now. From working in senior roles, including as CTO of an organization, I have been working on cutting-edge technologies that are truly transforming the world.
As Gen AI models reach new levels of maturity, the spotlight is now shifting towards AI agents. And all the leading figures in AI today are now talking about AI agents.
You call it agents, but it's going to be for the very first time, agents sitting on top of tools, agents using tools. And the opportunity for agents is gigantic.
I think we're going to live in a world where there are going to be hundreds of millions and billions of different AI agents, eventually probably more AI agents than there are people in the world.
AI agents are autonomous entities capable of executing tasks, reasoning with other agents, and interacting with tools to solve complex problems. They have the potential to automate a wide range of tasks and processes across diverse domains, revolutionizing efficiency and productivity on a global scale. And with this, we are looking at an agentic future, a world where AI agents will work alongside us using vast arrays of tools to enhance our capabilities. These agents, powered by advanced language models, can collaborate, reason, and continuously learn, reshaping how industries function and how individuals interact with technology. I have designed this hands-on course to guide you through the foundations, applications, and the future of AI agents. In this course, we will gain practical insights into creating and deploying AI agents that automate everything, from everyday tasks to complex business workflows. This course is designed in such a way that you don't need any prior technical experience. I will explain each step in detail with beginners in mind. So, even if this is your first time working with any tool or code, you will be able to grasp the concepts and the skills as we progress. For more experienced learners, this hands-on approach will help you deepen your understanding and gain mastery over the subject. By the end of this course, you will be equipped with the knowledge and skills to design AI agents tailored to your needs. Whether you are automating social media posts, managing business workflows, or creating entirely new AI-driven processes. So whether you are a software developer or in a business role, or just curious about the future of advanced AI technology, this course will provide you with practical insights and hands-on experiences to understand, build, and implement AI agents. So together, let's unlock the vast potential of AI agents and step confidently into the agentic future.